Hey guys, before my dad starts this video, don't forget to smash that like button
and subscribe
and hit that notification bell
so that way you can be notified to see the new video.
What's going on? It's your boy Kerry. So today I wanted to continue on one of the gospel lessons that I had just done. I did a song by Marvin Sapp, but I just showed the intro lick, but I didn't show the chords that I was playing when the guitar by himself was playing. So I want to go ahead and show you what I was doing in that particular part, because I had a lot of questions and people were asking, well, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So I want to focus in on specifically just the chord part. The ad-lib, that was just all me, but I want to talk about what's actually in the song, the chords that are in the song. So the song is in the key of C sharp. So if you think about it, if you know the number system, it's really just 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's at C major 7, E flat minor 7, F sharp major 7. So we're going to start with F sharp major 7, F minor 7, E flat minor 7. Now this is where we're going to start to add a little bit more in there. So that's that A diminished 7, that B minor 7, then I'm going to chromatic. So let's do that again. So that's the chord progression that is in that song. So the guitar was just really taking that time to really highlight when he was doing the hammer-ons on that F minor 7, that A flat minor 7. So that's the chord progression that I was playing in Praise Him in Advance. I know a lot of people were asking, what's the chord progression? What are you doing? So I wanted to touch in on that so that way you guys would have that. Hopefully you've enjoyed that lesson. Leave a comment. If you like the gospel stuff that I'm doing, let me know. And also, if you wanted to expand even more, I have gospel lessons that I teach on my website that I go way more in depth. So you can definitely check that out. It's kerryscamp.com. That is KerrysKamp.com. Thank you so much, and I'll talk to you guys next time.